What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCarrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I am Lambro Steve, and today I am at, look, I'm in my business dress. I don't even have my hat on, but we are at Lexus of Tulsa. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll get some front shots of it. But behind me is a brand new 2020 Lexus LX570. So you might ask, what does the missus drive? What does old Sally, Lambrini Sally drive? Well, she currently drives a 2017 Lexus LX570, and this is the 2020. Well, maybe it's a 2021. I don't know what year it is, but one of the things that we like about it, that white moonlight, they call it, seats. Oh yeah, and then let's grab this, because this is basically the window sticker. So this is what you get with a Lexus SUV. 103,543 for a Lexus. But cool stuff is this. 3 keys that it comes with, and this one is literally just goes in your wallet or in her purse. So we actually had to go find the other 2 keys because we've never really used them, and it's pretty crazy. It just gives you like a little credit card, and then anyway, all white. We'll never use these, but they're cool. 3 rows, all white. Love the white. So again, we're at Lexus of Tulsa. We're in their delivery area, and once we get all the paperwork done, I will do some video of them like setting it up. There's like some stuff they have to do to show essentially what you can, all the options that you have with the car. So anyway, we shall be back for that later. Hey folks, we are still in the delivery area, but I wanted to show you something kind of cool that Lexus does. You'll notice they have these vents that go down, so when you're in here with the garage doors closed and they're doing the demo of your car to get it set up for you, they hook those up to your exhaust and they close the garage doors, and that way you can sit in air conditioning or heat if it's in the cold, and they can go through all of your settings on your car. Now, this is Sally's second LX570, so it took you what, 4 minutes for them to show you how to get it set up?
Yeah.
But, oh, got the rubber mats back here, Sal.
Yeah, that's all new. That's nice.
Those are new. Do they come? I guess the regular mats are probably in the back, huh?
They are. And I put your tag back there too.
Here we go. Load it up. And then still has the, well, these release to go down, or how do they do it?
Yeah, as soon as you do that.
So that button makes it go down, or there it goes. I just did this with the other one, but I guess the good one. I guess when that. There you go. There it goes. And then.
Yeah, because I like those down.
And keep hold it down. It'll park it up. There you go.
Oh.
Oh, I like the rubber mats. I didn't have that in my other one. I probably like those better than those.
Look at that. Here's all your mats.
Until my nephew's coming down.
So when you take delivery of your new Lexus at Lexus of Tulsa, they have a sweet little room, all nice and tiled. You can see there, it's coronavirus time, but they're still selling lots of cars. And if you come see Mike Wolf or Todd Morrison, who always hook us up, and then when we get out front, I'll get some video of the front of this place so you can see all the cool stuff that they got. We'll be back. seats is so bright. This thing also has like ridiculous air ride on it. So the car, when you park it, drops down and then raises back up. You see how low it's sitting? So this is how, when you have a wife that does what she wants, this is her old car and this is her new car. So, I mean, the only difference is the seats, 3 years newer, a little bit different front with ground effects and the grille and all that stuff. And as I said, we're at Lexus of Tulsa. They sell a ton of Lexuses. In fact, we own 3 of them in our family. I have the LX570, I have the IS250, I think is what it is, or 300, and then I have the GS350. And this place is massive. Like, they even have a gym in here for their team where they can come in and work out, and like their service department's ridiculous. They have like millions and millions of kinds of snacks. In fact, while Sally's chilling out here, I'm gonna walk in and get into the snacks. So I'll be back.
Pull together and make sure as we look forward.
Well guys, that's the entrance and the walkthrough of the whole service area. Every soft drink you can think of. Actually got myself a Coke and their service area, but check out. This is, I think, probably like the flagship Lexus besides the LFA. They call it the LC500. They've got one of them here. This thing is pretty sweet. Carbon fiber roof. I know this one's for sale. They've had a few of these. Had a really pretty blue one, but pretty hot. Obviously, I'm in Tulsa, and I'm a Lexus fan. A Toyota fan, I guess, because Toyota makes Lexus. But if you are in Tulsa, these guys have always treated me right. They make the experience super easy. Usually get an appointment in and out within an hour or so. And I don't even negotiate price. They just take care of me. So if you want a good experience with a Lexus dealer, come check out Lexus of Tulsa. Like I said, find Mike Wolf or Todd Morrison. They're awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Later.